lounges. Nice. I'm too bad to do it.
What do you see, Xander?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
What is it?
I love the squeal.
What is it?
Squealing. Are you doing video?
Yep.
I won't go all the way up.
What is it?
How high do you think you'll get? I think you'll get about halfway.
Xander, what is it? Whoa!
No, go halfway. It looks like that's already been negated. He does like to climb.
Hey, Xander.
Mom! Mom!
You climbing the hill?
You say Mom!
It's a big hill.
Say Mom! That's so great!
He had a big day today because he told Mom that he had to pee and he went to the potty and sat down.
And he sat down, I held him and he peed in the potty. He actually told me before.
Logan did?
Is that like a milestone? For sure.
Huge! Yeah, that's so young.
He's peed in his little potty twice, but it's both times after, like, he sat him on and said, you have to pee.
Right.
Today,
It's the first time he notified
first time
you.
he said, yeah, and he had no diaper on. It was right when we come back from the lake. He's like,
Awesome.
Mama, potty. I was like, are you sure? Sure.
Let's go.
There's paper towels, but no Kleenex.
We have a lot of firsts.
Paper towels are
we have
over
a lot
on
of
the
firsts
table.
at this place.
We need a nose, right?
His first vacation.
His first elevator ride.
First snow.
Where's his first elevator?